In this video, we will show how to download, install, and activate CCleaner. Just purchase CCleaner from globalsd.com. After purchase, please log into your account and click on Download CCleaner option. Once the file is downloaded, please open the file by clicking on it. If you are using Chrome, you will find File on left side bottom. If you are using Edge or Firefox, File will show up on right side top. While opening CCleaner, it was blocked by Windows S mode. Here is how I changed settings to fix the problem. Click on Change My App Recommendation Settings. It will now open Windows settings screen. From here, we will need to change the first option. Under Choose Where to Get Apps, click on drop down and change it to Anywhere. Now go back to globalsd.com and click on CCleaner Installer again. This will start the download again, and now you can open the CCleaner installer file. Click on Yes to allow to make changes. CCleaner installation should now begin. You should be able to see the progress on screen. Choose your language and hit Next. Click on Finish to finish the installation. Make sure Run CCleaner box is checked. CCleaner is now installed. In order to activate it, you will need a license key. I purchased a license key from globalsd.com as they are trusted CCleaner resellers. Please copy your license key and click on Options on CCleaner screen and then click on License. After pasting license key, it will ask you name and email. Please enter that information. Your CCleaner is now ready to use and you can run your first scan.